YouTube live, what's good? Here we go. Isolation Station. Everybody loves donuts. And I'm excited. I hope you're excited. We're gonna get into this thing. We're just gonna jump right in. Y'all been waiting long enough. Everybody loves donuts. If you're with me, if you're alive, if you're excited for some donuts, drop your comments below. Let's do a little roll call. Attendance. It's not like a Zoom meeting. You don't have to put your hand up. Just hit me in the comments. Drop me a thumbs up. Give me all that YouTube satisfaction so I know who I'm rocking with. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Got this thing locked down every Wednesday. Jose, start us off with a little introduction, my man.
Chef, we're ready.
The following special program is a paid advertisement for...
Yoink, yoink, yoink. Yes, here it is. We've all been waiting for donuts. Everybody loves donuts. For those of you joining me for the first time, we like to sort of talk about what we're doing, then we just get into it hands-on. I like to show you, my reasoning behind the recipe, drop some science, some knowledge on you so you understand what's happening. And if you click below in the description on this video, you could see the recipe for old-fashioned donuts. For me, old-fashioned donuts, it's my favorite donut. It gets super kind of crispy, crackly. It gets all these like sort of like craters in the surface of the donut when it's frying up, and it glazes nicely. And once that old-fashioned is glazed, it'll hold a whole hell of a lot longer than, say, like a yeasted donut. Because what makes these donuts rise is baking powder. And let's just get into the dough. So now we have our dry ingredients ready to go. We're gonna go cream our shortening, 24 grams of shortening, or it goes right in. 100 grams of sugar. And wanted some donuts. Do you have some delicious donuts? Yes. So sugar and fat go together. And we just take our whipper here, and we're just gonna cream it. You'll start to see, and it happens pretty quickly, that just becomes like a sand. This isn't the Food Network, and I've got 2 large egg yolks. We have our sour cream, 171 grams, and then our flour mix, our dry mix. We're gonna do this in 3 parts, and we're gonna alternate 2 times with this. So in with another third of our flour mixture. We'll go ahead and finish off here with the sour cream, get all that goodness in there. And I start incorporating all the dry into the wet. And I'm pretty sure that Jose has something super exciting for us at this very moment. All right. So that was just like a little magic of TV moment.
Old-fashioned chocolate frosted jelly glaze, French cooler coconut. What is your fave? It's a party, it's donut party.
much. You too can have these delicious donuts. Thanks, guys.